Hi everyone, Richard here with an overview of my new Google Workspace add-on called Sign Up Manager. Sign Up Manager is intended to help you manage registrations for either virtual or in-person events using a Google form and Google Calendar. So let's begin. We first open the add-on in a Google Sheet. Now if the Google Sheet has already been connected to the add-on previously, it can only be connected to one form, one calendar, and sheet at a time. So the first thing you would do is simply delete the properties, delete the user properties to start over. So in this case, I have been using this with another form and calendar, and I'm going to start all over. So I'll hit delete all user properties. What this will do is it will build out a brand new form for me connected to this Google Sheet, and I can give it a name. So my events. Now the next thing I can do is connect this to an events calendar. So I have a drop-down list of all of the calendars I own. So I'm just going to select this events calendar right here. And what this will do now is provide me with some automation options. So normally these will already have been established. So if I click auto send invitations, we should see here at the bottom that this trigger has already been enabled by setting it up. So what this means is when people select an event on the Google form, it will invite them to that event via an invitation if there is still space for the event, because this system also allows you to cap enrollment and registrations. The other nice feature is this option to purge invitations. What this will do is anyone who has not yet accepted the invitation or has declined, it will remove them from the guest list, freeing up space for others to join automatically. So now that we've done that, let's head over to Google Calendar to add some events to our events calendar. So the first thing I'm going to do is launch the add-on. And all of the events that are on your events calendar must be created using the add-on to work. So let's just call this my webinar is going to be the name of this event, and we're going to make it a virtual event by adding a Google Meet, a webinar about AppScript. And it's, like I said, virtual. And let's just place it somewhere during this week. So how about the 28th of September? And let's kick it off from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. And I'm going to limit the capacity to just one registry, just so you can see how this works when the cap has been reached. So let's go ahead and create this event. And I'm going to click Update Form just to display my form, but every time a form has been submitted, it will also update. So I'm just going to click this to confirm that my event has made it to my events calendar. So I notice here now there are a total of 2 events that are available. So there was a previous event on my events calendar that had been made available. And this is the one that we're interested in testing. So I'm going to take this form and access it with another user. So in this scenario, I am logged in as teacher 2, and I am interested in attending this webinar. So I'm going to click submit. And what this will do is send me an invite to be a part of that event. So here is that invite in the inbox, and I can go ahead and accept that as teacher 2. Now if we transition back to the owner of that form and document, and if I hit update form one more time here, or with the event submission, we notice now the webinar is gone. It's no longer a choice because it has reached the cap of one person who is participating in that webinar. So in short, the way this works is the form is scanning your calendar from today's events to 3 months in the future, and anything it finds that has a cap number connected to it, it will list them in this add-on. So as the events pass, they will be automatically removed. So it's an ongoing sign up and registration sheet that's connected to any events that you host, whether in person or virtually on your calendar. So there you have it. Hope you've enjoyed this demonstration and tutorial, and thanks for watching. Bye.